From the opulent trip of the future. Greetings. Put aside your preconceived notions about RVs because Audi aims to reimagine luxury on wheels in 2026. The 2026 Audi Motorhome will astound you with its technology and design prowess, which combines an adventurous spirit with Audi flair. The outside of the car has a futuristic and minimalist vibe thanks to Audi's unique clean lines, eye-catching and versatile matrix LED lighting, and an aerodynamic profile that is both visually beautiful and tuned for maximum efficiency, especially to complement its powertrain. In fact, the 2026 Audi Motorhome is expected to come with two state-of-the-art options. Either a full electric EV powertrain powered by a strong electric motor with a large battery capacity for a long range, or a plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain that combines an efficient TFSI petrol engine with an electric motor to provide optimal range flexibility and low emissions. Upon entering, you are immediately struck by how opulent and equipped the driver's cabin is with cutting-edge machinery. The dashboard of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is the perfect combination of modern design and practicality. Audi's most latest MMI infotainment system, which includes 3D navigation and state-of-the-art networking, is housed in the control center, a massive, curved OLED screen. The driver's instruments are totally digital and have movable, clear graphics and an augmented reality head-up display that presents critical information directly in front of you. A distinctive and focused cockpit atmosphere is created by high-end materials including Valcona leather, matte carbon fiber, and polished metal accents. In addition, most physical buttons have been swapped out for user-friendly haptic feedback controls. The main interior area is a sanctuary of unmatched grandeur and beauty. Because of its enormous size and modular design, it can be arranged in a variety of ways to meet your needs. The plush leather seats can be fully swiveled or folded flat to create a sophisticated dining area or a spacious lounge for relaxing. Large panoramic windows that provide expansive views of the outdoors and adjustable multicolor LED ambient lighting create the perfect atmosphere for any event. Audi's commitment to environmentally responsible luxury is evident in the interior material's extensive use of carbon fiber, open-pore wood, and sustainable premium fabrics. The bedroom is a lovely, peaceful retreat. It has a comfortable king-size bed, soft sheets, and an opulent memory foam mattress. The design is straightforward, cozy, and has independent reading lights and efficient hidden storage. Windows with motorized shades provide total privacy, and soundproofing ensures a good night's sleep away from outside disturbances. A guest pull-down bed might also be included in some designs. The bathroom in the 2026 Audi Motorhome is similar to having a mobile spa. This elegantly designed bathroom has a full-size shower with a rain head and digital temperature control, a high-end ceramic toilet, and an elegant sink with a designer faucet. Surfaces include high-end waterproof materials like quartz stone or modern composites, LED-lit mirrors, and an efficient ventilation system. Everything is kept tidy and organized by the clever toiletry storage that is seamlessly included. The kitchen of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is an exquisite illustration of both design and efficiency. This gourmet kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances from well-known manufacturers. It features a 2-burner induction stove, a built-in microwave and convection oven, a large refrigerator and freezer, and even a little dishwasher. The kitchen counter is made of a durable and fashionable solid surface material, and it has a broad sink with a modern pull-out faucet. Ergonomic storage cabinets that provide ample space for all of your belongings and cooking utensils allow you to make a delicious dinner wherever you go.